What you doing? We're gonna unload this. You got
Today?
Time? Yeah, you got time?
Man, we worked all day.
Well, we gotta unload the trailer. We gotta have it unloaded so we can get them brick in the morning.
All right. Well, we're unloading it by hand.
Take it over to the trash pile and unload every bit of that. What time? It ain't but 5. It ain't but 5 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock.
Well, we gotta unload it.
All right.
What do you want to do with it?
I don't know.
Well, we got to unload the trailer today so we can be there in the morning at Pate and get them brick before they close.
Right.
Man,
that sucks.
What do you think we ought to do with all that? I guess we'll pull over there. I'm gonna pull over there beside the trash pile, and if we got 2 shovels,
You want to shovel that?
well, we can get the big chunks off, but then we're gonna have to shovel all that crap off. We can't get the little stuff by hand.
Right.
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's go. Put this dang trailer. 5:30. You got some kind of hey, I tell you what if we could take the skid steer and lift up on the front of that trailer and just dump the shit off? You want to do that?
Sure.
I mean, that'll work, won't it?
That'd work too.
All right. I'm gonna go get the skid steer.
Hey,
What?
that ain't gonna be able to pick this up.
Why?
It ain't tall enough to dump it.
Just watch my damn smoke. If you got it unhooked.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Let's see what he's got planned for this.
All right, pull up. Oh,
Shit.
I said pull up. Don't back it up.
I'm sorry. I don't think that thing's gonna lift it up. Way to go. Hey, I got a better idea.
Huh?
I got a better idea.
What?
Hold on, I'll be right back.
All right. I love my boy, but he don't know what he's doing half the time. He just hopped on my 4-wheeler and took off. All we need to do is unload this trailer, but he gone. I wonder if he thinks he's on the clock right now.
How about this?
Well, what are you gonna do with that?
Dump trailer. It's good.
I guess that'll do it. right now I'm thinking all this work we've done, and we have yet to put a dipski in our lipski.
We ain't put a dipski in the
dipski
lipski, man. Holy cow! There you go.
Get a dipski in the lipski here.
What you dipping on there?
What I got right here is Grizzly Long Cut Wintergreen.
Yeah.
My favorite is Stoker's.
They were out of Stoker's.
Yeah. You and your pals. If Scott Guyette could see this, he'd really appreciate it. We're gonna get a great big old dip here.
That was a hogger.
No, let me get a little bit more. Make Scott Guyette proud.
Easy.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
There you go, young lad.
Give me a dipski in the lipski.
What you dipping on there?
Grizzly Wintergreen.
Same damn thing I was dipping on.
You know, we're gonna have to unload all this stuff before we put the trailer back on there. Otherwise, it's gonna be hard to put the trailer on there.
Yeah, we gotta get it off too. I got an idea. What if we unload? We'll unload 2 or 3 bags, and then we'll unload all the rest of them. We'll just unload all of them by hand.
I guess that'll work. That'll work too. On the other hand.
That'll work too, Robert.
Yeah, that'll work.
What are y'all doing? Y'all, my boys, the idiots. You do know I got a dump trailer up there. Y'all don't need to tear it. Hey, that's my freaking truck.
No, that's my truck.
Man, I'm lucky I got Susan to fall back on, my favorite. Y'all keep playing. I'm losing. Y'all are idiots. Especially you three. Thanks, Paul.
Hey, set it down.
Down.
Yeah. Cheese and crackers.
Huh?
Tires are supposed to be on the ground.
Oh, my bad.
We ain't gonna be able to drive that.
My bad.
The mooring line! Get the mooring line!
We did it for you.
Yeah. There we go. That'll buff right out.